Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, yes, we're still continue working on this 2019 BMW X6M. Previous episode, we knocked down interior as much as we can before we can start interfering with other stuff. So we'll leave interior for next episode or some other time. But today what I want to focus is, I want to focus on the front end, I want to focus on the body, I want to install everything that goes over here, like a plastic over there, and also those vent air ducts that goes over here. Another one goes over here. This radiator goes into that bezel over there. And also, after I finish do all of it, I can install the hinges back in place. I can install the hood. I can install a bumper. And this vehicle is gonna look so freaking awesome after I do all of it. And basically it's gonna look complete, but we're far away from complete. Still some body work needs to be done, still some priming. So that's what we're gonna be focusing today's episode. So without further ado, let's begin on the rebuilding process. I should say let's continue working on the rebuilding process. Man, this thing started piecing together pretty good. Look, now this side is freaking complete. I love it. I just freaking love it. I had to vacuum some of the dirt out of there, but hey, that's it. I think there's nothing else needs to be done over here. So let's move to this side and slap this one in. But first, let's open up. Let's put the bugs, boom, over there. Let's get the razor blade. Let's do this. Oops. Like so. One hand. Simple as this. We're just gonna have to push this one in. Like so. Like so. Chick. Almost there. Make sure it's gonna go over here in those slots. Clink. Got it. Now pull this one towards me a little because the bracket is bent from accident that I did in the winter time. And this goes here, but I need the second hand. And just like that, another side is complete. Wow, it looks really good. So let's finally start piecing back together. So now let's grab those hinges, let's put them back in place and bolt the freaking hood on top of it. Adjust the hood kinda slightly and see how's everything looking. The hood is actually back in place, finally. I didn't do really good adjustments because this fender needs to go up, this door needs to be adjusted, plus this fender needs to be taking off in order to take care of some body things, but hey, at least I will have idea what am I missing, some spots. I also noticed there's a couple more damage. That's exactly why, guys, I didn't want to paint the vehicle or parts before I can finish everything and reassemble, because now you can see over here small thing, but the biggest thing is over here. See the scratches? Because I don't have a spot where I can store these parts. They've been moving back and forth by me, by some other people, and there you go, there you have it. Can you imagine if this hood would have been painted? That would have been nightmare, because it's so much work in the preparing and doing everything and then damaging. So that's exactly why I love leaving all the body work for the last thing. Hopefully you guys following me. But hey, hood back in place. I slightly tight hinges because there still needs to be adjusted also. Hood opens and closes. I don't remember where I put those struts, but hey, I can open and close the hood now. Now what we should do is bring the bumper and install it, test fit it. After that, we can get some test drive. Let's install the bumper, see how everything lines up, tie it, and let's go try it out. I'm currently looking at the car and blows my mind how far we went on this build. You ready for this, guys? Check this out. Ka-chinga! Check this out, guys. On its own wheels, with the front bumper, with a hood on it, and ready to be ripping. Check this beast out. With the hood and front bumper, this vehicle start looking completely different animal. With the seats inside, you can see dash. It's just insane how this vehicle turning around and start looking more beautiful with every single episode. Guys, we're almost there. We almost made it. It's coming along pretty good. There's few things needs to be done on the bodywork. Yeah, sure. But we'll knock those out. Just freaking get it a minute. Get a second. Take a really good look at this beautiful beast. Isn't it looks awesome? It is. It is beautiful. So, I'm really anxious to drive it like it is. Everything is buttoned up. Nothing is gonna be flying. I can do proper testing. So with that being said, let's get all the wiring on the roof, down inside the interior. Let's take care of all the other stuff that will fly out. Get the helmet that is over there, and let's go rip this thing before we start doing some body work on it, cause after I'm gonna start doing body work on it, I can't enjoy it. And plus, come on guys, it's a summer, it's nice outside. It's just proper conditions to test out this vehicle. Let's go hit the road and see what is this vehicle all about. That's it, guys. I tied this hood down through this, but this is not the main one. Main one is over here. Went through the loop under the hood over here. So I have two of them. Just in case, I know how it could be. Hood open up, damage the roof, damage the dash, plus new hood. Plus, on top of that, new hinges, and I don't want that. So, I got my helmet ready. I don't know if I'm gonna need that. I got the scanner. Just in case, you know, I'd rather to be prepared than to be caught off guard. Now, let's go and test drive this beast. That was fun, that was fun. Oh, foot tries open up. See, that's exactly why I did two, one over here, one over there. Yeah, man, this vehicle is just nuts. It wants to go all the time. As soon as you press the gas, it wants to go, 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 go. But hey, those tires are shady. I don't know how unbalanced these wheels are, but the car is all shaky. Plus, there's no alignment and all that. I just want to come out, check it out, see if we still have everything. If all those wheels are still attached to the vehicle. But hey, everything looks good. The bumper is still here. Hood is still here. Most of the interior is still here. So that's good. Let's go home and let's begin on the body work. Beautiful, beautiful beast machine. This vehicle will bring a lot of joy. Whoever is gonna be driving it, for sure will have a fun. It's just mind-blowing. I don't know, I'm still processing in my head what kind of animal this is. Hey, let's give her a name. I think we should give her female name or male name. I don't care. Just throw some ideas in the comments down below. What should we call it? Frankenstein? The drivetrain from one car, interior from same vehicle as the drivetrain, different body, two different doors, tailgate. It is a Frankenstein. I think this is how we're gonna call it. Frankenstein. X6M Frankenstein. I don't know, what you think? I kinda like it. What you think? You like it? Anyway, we need to start working on the body work, but I'm so tired already, so lazy. I don't want to do anything. Oh man. Should we wrap it up this episode right here? I know. I wanted to continue on the body work, but it's been a long week for me. I'm really tired. Let's wrap it up this episode right here. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to leave your comments down below about Frankenstein. I like it. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.